Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to fix Audi step by step. Start by identifying the symptom, gather basic tools, and consult the owner's manual for specifications. Always work on a cooled engine and disconnect the battery before electrical tasks. Use OEM parts when available, document each step with photos, and test systems after repairs to confirm success. If unsure, seek professional help to avoid safety risks. When diagnosing, start with simple checks like battery voltage, fuses, and warning lights. Use an OBD scanner to read fault codes and interpret live data. Inspect wiring harnesses, connectors, and grounds for corrosion or damage. For intermittent issues, reproduce conditions and monitor while driving. Keep a log of findings and parts replaced to track progress and avoid repeating work. Refer to repair manuals for torque specs and troubleshooting flows to save time. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during garage work, has leak-proof lid and convenient carry. It fits most cup holders and is easy to clean, and it comes in several colors. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Common repairs include alternator replacement, brake service, and spark plug changes. For oil leaks, inspect valve cover gaskets, cam seals, and oil cooler lines. When replacing belts, follow the correct tension procedure and align timing marks carefully. Use a torque wrench and new fasteners where required, and double-check fluid levels and bleed brakes after service before road testing the vehicle for safety. Keep replacement receipts and part numbers for warranty and future reference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.